Good morning. Today we're doing lesson 6-8. We're going to be interpreting remainders.
Interpreting remainders. For each number story, draw a picture. Write a number model with a letter for the unknown. Use a division algorithm to solve the problem. Decide what to do about the remainder. Record the answer and write a number model with the answer.
All right. So let's go to the second screen and see what our problem is going to be. Okay. Here's our problem.
Interpreting remainders. 1. Jackson is buying balloons for a party. Balloons cost $6 per bunch. How many bunches can he buy with $75? Picture. Number model with unknown. Answer. Blank bunches. Number model with answer.
All right. So Jackson is buying these balloons. And so first thing we're going to do is we're going to do our number model. So I'm looking at my numbers and I know that I'm going to do 75 divided by 6 equals B for bunches, okay? Now we need to draw a picture to find out how many bunches he can buy with $75, okay? So now, let's think about our picture. So, I know the balloons cost $6 a bunch, so I'm going to first by drawing some balloons, and I know they cost $6. So I'm going to see how many I can get till it takes me to get to 75. So I'm going to start thinking of my multiples of 6. So I have 12, 18, and then 24, and 6 times 5 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 7 is 42, 6 times 8 is 48, 6 times 9, 54, 6 times 10 is 60, 6 times 11 is 66, and 6 times 12 would be 72. So, I have to stop here because he wants to know how many bunches he can buy with $75. So, I know that we have 72. This cost me $72 right now. If I added 6 more, that would be 78, and that would not be enough. So, I know I'm going to count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know that he can buy 12 bunches, but I had $75. So I'm going to take 75 and I'm going to subtract my 72, and I get 3 here. So my answer will be 75 divided by 6 equals 12, remainder 3. Okay? All right, let's try our next one. Okay. So what do we do? What did you do about the remainder? What do we do with it? Did we ignore it, report it as a fraction, or do we round up? So we decided to ignore it because $3 wasn't enough to buy another balloon. Okay? All right. Let's go to our next screen. All right. Here's our problem.
Interpreting remainders. 2. Rosa is buying boxes to hold all 128 of her DVDs. Each box holds 5 DVDs. How many boxes are needed to store all of her DVDs? Picture. Number model with unknown. Answer. Blank boxes. Number model with answer.
Okay. So, we know that she has 128 DVDs, right? And each one holds 5. And we need to know how many boxes, so I'm going to put a B for boxes. So now I need to think of my multiples of 5s, which is not too hard. I just have to count my 5s. So I'm going to start counting by 5s to see. Five, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. All right, so if I do this, I got to 130. So I don't need that, right? Because I had 128. So I'm going to erase this one, okay? I had 128, and I got to 130. Okay. So now I have 25 boxes, okay? But I only got to 125. Now I have over here, I have 3 left over, right? So how many boxes will I need? So I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 25. 25 with 5, but I have 1 more with 3. So I will actually need 26 boxes. So in this case, we round it up. And how we're going to write that is 128 divided by 5 equals 25, remainder 3. Okay, let's go to our next screen. so what do we do with the remainder in this problem? We had to round it up because we needed an extra place to store 3 DVDs. Okay? Alrighty. I would like you guys to try the next 2 on your own.